Hello, will tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Nicole. My last name is Santis. I am from Chile. I speak Spanish. I live with my family, my son Tomás and my husband Isaías. My son is 6 years old and my husband is 25 years old. I am 29 years old. My birthday is on November 23. My phone number is 973800372. My address is Parroquia Nuestra Señora del Rosario, 472 Peñaflor. My favorite color is pink and my favorite animals is a cat. I like reading and dancing. I don't like swimming. My favorite hobby is travel and meet new places. I am good at sport and study. I am study in the Universidad Central Business Administration. Thank you for your attention and have a good week. Bye bye.